Welcome to my YouTube channel MotoVision Hub. The 2026 KTM 390 Adventure X is presented in its full factory-fresh form, finished in ultra-shiny pearl white with black accents. Every angle shows a combination of aggressive adventure styling and modern technology. The front features a sharp, angular LED headlamp with DRL, complemented by a tall, clear windscreen and a beak-style front fender. Wide handlebars provide control and comfort, while the fully digital TFT display shows speed, gear position, RPM, fuel level, and trip information. The sculpted fuel tank is ergonomically designed for long rides and displays the bold 390 Adventure X lettering alongside the KTM logo. The stepped adventure seat ensures comfort for both rider and passenger. Every panel, curve, and contour is designed to balance rugged adventure capability with aerodynamic efficiency. The motorcycle is powered by a high-performance single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, delivering smooth torque and precise throttle response. Gear shifts are crisp, and the transmission allows for confident navigation of city streets, highways, or rough terrain. The exposed trellis frame, long-travel suspension, and skid plate provide stability and handling on any surface. Front and rear disc brakes ensure strong, reliable stopping power. The dual-purpose knobby tires mounted on black spoked rims deliver excellent grip on all surfaces. The rear section features an upswept exhaust system, LED tail lamp, rear indicators, and a luggage-ready tail section. The swing arm and rear suspension are built for durability, and the high ground clearance allows for off-road riding without compromise. Every mechanical component from the chain drive to the skid plate is engineered for reliability. The motorcycle's design combines futuristic features with rugged adventure DNA. The glossy white finish highlights every contour while black accents add a bold, aggressive character. The bike appears ready for touring, commuting, or off-road exploration. The full front left and front right views emphasize the LED headlamp, tall windscreen beak-style fender, fuel tank with branding, dual-purpose tires, long travel suspension, and trellis frame. The full side profiles show the step-up adventure seat, swing arm, chain drive, rear disc brake, and overall muscular stance. From the top view, the alignment of handlebars, fuel tank, seat, and rear section shows ergonomic design and balanced proportions. The back view highlights the LED tail lamp, rear indicators, luggage-ready tail section, and high ground clearance. Every view presents a complete factory-fresh motorcycle with all details visible. The motorcycle is presented in a luxurious showroom with a bright reflective white floor, light gray walls with subtle golden accents, and warm ambient lighting that enhances the glossy white finish. The environment is designed to highlight the full design, curves, and mechanical details. The bike is fully visible from every angle, emphasizing precision engineering and design quality. The front suspension and wide handlebars provide precise steering and comfortable riding posture. The tires, frame, and suspension work together for stability on highways or uneven trails. The TFT display allows riders to track all performance data while maintaining focus on the road. The fuel tank and seat design support long-distance riding without fatigue. The rear section, including the upswept exhaust, swing arm, and rear disc brake, adds to the adventure-ready design. Every aspect of the 390 Adventure X is designed with performance and durability in mind. The combination of knobby tires, long travel suspension, trellis frame, and high ground clearance makes it suitable for off-road trails as well as urban commuting. The glossy white body with black accents emphasizes premium finish and style. The LED lighting ensures visibility in low-light conditions, while the TFT display keeps all necessary information easily readable. The motorcycle is engineered for all-around adventure performance, combining aggressive styling with modern technology and mechanical reliability. Its ergonomic design, suspension setup, tires, and braking system ensure safety and control. The body panels, fuel tank, seat, and frame are designed to balance aesthetics and functionality. The showroom presentation highlights the full motorcycle from every angle, showing off its factory-fresh design and mechanical details. The 2026 KTM 390 Adventure X blends performance, durability, comfort, and modern styling. From the LED headlamp and TFT display to the dual-purpose tires and long-travel suspension, every feature is built to provide a reliable and engaging riding experience. Its high ground clearance, trellis frame, and rugged body panels make it ready for any terrain, while the glossy white finish with black accents ensures a premium look. The full profile, front, back, and top views show the motorcycle in complete form, showcasing all details clearly. Every mechanical component, ergonomic feature, and design element reflects KTM's focus on precision, performance, and adventure capability. The 390 Adventure X is fully equipped to handle city streets, highways, and off-road trails, providing both control and comfort for the rider. The glossy white body with black detailing emphasizes its modern and premium appearance, making it a visually striking and performance-ready motorcycle.